Hi, I'm Dr. Apratim Goyal, skin expert at Cutis Skin Clinic, Mumbai. Today, I will be talking about acne scar and its treatments available. I must say that if the scars are flat and just dark color, then yes, there is a role of some home remedies in lightening it. However, if the acne scars are pitted, like typical gadde, deep gadde on the skin, then there is absolutely no role of home remedies. And please stop wasting your time and energy and money on that. We have loads of technologies today that work for pitted scars. We started working on fractional carbon dioxide laser, the fractional erbium laser, the radio frequency based devices. We also have derma roller, and we also do surgeries like subcision and the deep peels. In our experience of 15 years working on acne and acne scars, we've seen that the best results are with the radio frequency based devices, the RF. Now the RF can be delivered through needles or without needles into the skin. So we'll be talking about the MNRF, that is the microneedle radio frequency, where a needle is inserted into the skin and from the tip of the needle the radio frequency rays are emitted. Now what does radio frequency do to the skin? It helps stimulate collagen, which will make your scar shallow. What happens when we work with lasers like carbon dioxide and erbium? We cannot treat a part of the face, because when we treat a part of the face and don't treat the rest of the face, it starts looking different. So in lasers, which is erbium and CO2, we have to do a full face, whereas when we are working with MNRF, which is the ultracell technology, there we can safely go and treat only a part and we can leave the rest of the face and it still matches it. It is painful. If we don't do it without any anesthetic, it is painful, but we always use a topical cream. A topical anesthetic cream applied 20 to 30 minutes prior makes the treatment painless, and usually there is no downtime, but there is little redness and swelling, so it's good to do it as a weekend treatment.